Hi there. Today we bring you a problematic that's been around for a long time in Neiva, specifically in the center.
There is too much littering in this place. The lack of public cleaning services just make it worse, and the public bodies don't seem to really care about this issue.
What has been done? The mayor office has increased the number of garbage trucks and environmental campaigns have been carried out to raise awareness among the public.
What do you think it can be done? We will create more campaigns to tell people to not litter this place anymore, with instruction on how to recycle certain materials like plastic, paper, glass.
What type of extreme weather can you experience in your community? In Neiva, we sometimes get rainings that last for days, and that's pretty much of an issue because the roads end up looking like rivers, and some cars can even get damaged because of that. Last Saturday could be a proper example of this phenomena.
What kind of extreme weather can your environmental issues cause lead to? Littering can cause this extreme weather and the running.